Hi everyone, my name is Blair Zettel, founder of Gravity Brain Learning Inc. and BZabc. This is a Quickstart video for the Parents School Link. That is that your child is enrolled in courses at school and you're linking to their account so that you can monitor their reports and also communicate with the school through our private messaging system. Okay, let's get started. So the first step is you need to go to www.BZabc.tv. Now, at the top right, you'll see login. So log in with your child's credentials. If you have an account as a parent, don't log in with yours. Log in with your child's credentials. Okay? Now that you're in, if you're on mobile, you have to hit the hamburger and that'll open the drop-down. If you're on the desktop, you'll just see it on the left-hand side. My Parents is what you're looking for. So click on My Parents. And then on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see Add New. So if you have an existing account, just enter your email address there, and it will send you the invitation to your email, which you need to accept. If you don't have an account, you can create one right in that window. So just enter your email address, create a new password, and then enter the other details as you wish. All you really need is your email and password. Okay. Having done that, you are now hooked up to your child's account. What you need to do now is go to your own account by logging into either the website again. So you need to log out of BZabc and then log in now with your email and password. Or you can do the same thing in the BZabc Parents App. You will be taken directly to the dashboard, and from there at the top of the screen you'll see your child's account. If you have more than one child, you need to just flip to the right and you'll see the other accounts there. So simply repeat this process with every child you have, and you'll get all of your kids into your one account so you can monitor the reports and also, as I said, message with the school. Now, if you know that your child has an account and you don't have the credentials, you must get that from the school. Credentials is the username and password. Okay? Now, one other thing I should mention is you use the BZabc Parents App, your child needs to log in with the BZabc Kids App. Okay, so what do? Go to either the Apple Store or Google Play and download the BZabc Kids App. Once you've done that, all you need to do is log in with your child's credentials. Their username and password, not yours, okay? It won't work if you use yours. Once you're logged in, choose a course, and then the system will guide you through lessons. Now, if you like, once you're in a course and you're looking at a video or a quiz, go to the quiz screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu bar. Click the menu bar, and that gives you navigation for the entire course if you want to navigate manually. In the lower left-hand corner, you'll see that there is a number of buttons there. So there's a stop button. There is the auto guide. That's, you're looking at different lessons and you want to go back to where the system thinks you should be. Just click that button. And there's also QR code. So if you have a book or a printable from us, you click on the QR code and it'll find the place in your book. Okay, so that's how you can navigate manually. One thing, in the BZabc Kids app, when they log out, you'll notice that their picture, their avatar, is on the app, so they can just click their pic to log in, and it's very simple for them to do their work. Now, when your child does work, at the end of the quiz, you're going to see the end of quiz screen. So that gives them their mark and so on. That data is being uploaded to the server, and it's available to you in the report. So if you go back to the Parents app now, so that's your space, the Parents app, and you click on reports for that child, you'll see the data in both the detailed data, that's just the log, the detailed data, and you can also then click on the course that they're in and see specific units and lessons, what they were working on and how they did, and there's some very detailed information of any areas that they struggled with. Okay, that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out. Our email address is office@bzabc.tv, or you can give me a call at 306-570-6488. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now.